All right. Anybody want to say anything to celebrate this day as we get prepared for it?
I want to know why Joyce gets to eat and we all have to sit around and like just watch it.
Because she's the boss's wife, so I guess her old man is a high-ranking official in the church, so I guess she could do that. Babe, I got you eating.
Babe.
Oh.
Babe. Yeah, I want to know how to look so sweet. Joyce, I want to know how to look so sweet.
You got that? Babe, you got that fruit? That pear? Take it out. Because Leanne asked a question. She wants to know how sweet you are.
No, I don't want to know how sweet you are. I want to know how to look as sweet as you are.
There it is, right there. She looks as sweet as that. That is a Chinese pear, apple pear.
Mochi's here, Tasha. Why is Mochi here? Can we say goodbye to us?
So, David, you ready for the water? All right. Is BJ going?
Oh no, he has to go to LA.
Oh. You know, he could go too.
Oh no, I'm gonna pack him.
Oh, okay.
Not even right.
All right.
Are we going?
No, not me.